Hi, today is October 19, Monday, year 2020. I'm sorry I forgot the date when I cooked. October 19, 2020, and it is Monday. I'm trying to give you the recipe boil only, the squash, and then eat it with the chocolate Nutella from Costco. And then when you boil save the water, and then here drink the water. It's magnesium and from the broccoli and squash. It is hot. Let me see. Hot. Wow, it tastes like nilagang mais. Okay. I need my napkin. 1 second. Napkin. Okay. Because it's a chocolate. So, my t-shirt is twisted because of my paralysis. Now, this is the chocolate we will try. It's really delicious. Try this. My chocolate. Okay, has to be at the edge. Yummy. It tastes like yum. In Filipino, kamote. I will add more in the edge. Yeah. Oh. See, it's kalabasa, it's squash, and it is like this. Ay, look. And I cut them big size. Oh my goodness, nice. I would eat it in a small size. Sarap. You can eat the skin. I only eat the squash when it is boiled. Sometimes I cook it pinakbit with the gata. Daming chocolate. Wow, daming chocolate. Hindi naman ako diabetes. But I have to be very careful. Anything over measurement of sugar, diabetic. But I am very careful. Look at this. Yummy. With squash. Try it in your home. Sarap. Ang squash, merong malagkit na squash, merong di regular. Parang bigas. May regular na bigas, may malagkit na bigas. This is squash. There is the same as rice, there's a regular rice, sometimes there's a sweet rice. A squash, a regular squash, but this is the sweet squash. The same with avocado. Regular avocado, there's a hash avocado. Hash avocado is malakit. This one is malakit. Don't forget, Nutela. This is the chocolate from here. I took it from here. And then I put it here. Nako. Naka 6 minutes na ako. Bye-bye. Smile. Smile before you end the video.